Hi Danielle, this is Lindsay, and I thought you'd like to see an audio-visual tour of the steps that you need to take to copy that chart from an Excel worksheet to a PowerPoint slide. So these are the exact same files that you've been given to use in your own assignment. So here's my Excel file right in front of me here. I'm going to left click, and here active is now the PowerPoint. So I've got them both open and ready to go because I know I'm going to be doing some copying here. So my Excel window is active. I'm going to hover over the white area of the chart and right click. As I right click, a contextual menu that is specific to the area on top of which I have clicked pops up. I'm going to choose copy. It's a left click. All right, so now I'm going to come over to PowerPoint, and the instructions tell us that what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to hover on the border of this box. So the way that I know I'm hovering on the border of this content box is by seeing the change of the I bar to that four-headed arrow. So I'm going to cross again. You see the four-headed arrow? There's the four-headed arrow again. It's exactly where I want to be. Right click. And here's all my paste options. And the very first one is the one that the text asks you to use. And that is use destination theme and embed workbook. I'm going to left click. And there's the chart. Anyway, I hope this helps. If you still have questions after looking at this video, please feel free to contact me. The more specific you are, by the way, with the issue that you're having, the better off I am to help you. You did a great job describing what you needed. So Danielle, have a good night, and we'll talk soon.